Morning to all. Myself, I'm R. Arun Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Pharmaceutics, Sri Shanmuga College of Pharmacy. So today we are going to see about emulsifying agents. So the emulsifying agents are the core pharmaceutic concept how immiscible liquids are stabilized into uniform therapeutic formulation. So what is emulsion? So we before we are going to know about emulsifying agent, we know about emulsion. Emulsion is a biphasic system. It's two immiscible liquids where one liquid is dispersed in another as fine droplets. So types are oil in water, water in oil. So oil in water emulsion, oil droplets dispersed in a continuous aqueous phase. Water in oil emulsion, water droplets dispersed in continuous oil phase. So the oil in water are oil and water are immiscible. So without an emulsifying agent, these two phases quickly separate and aggregate. So it's essential to reduce interfacial tension, then stabilize droplets and prevent coalescence. So, what is the definition? So, the emulsifying agents are substances that stabilize emulsion by forming a protective film around tablets, so preventing them from emerging and separating. So, mechanism of actions. So, the emulsifying agents have stabilized emulsion through four key mechanisms. So, first mechanism reduce interfacial tension. Next, form productive film barrier. Okay, form productive film. Next, electrostatic repulsion. Next, increase viscosity. So, classification of emulsifying agents. So, surface active agent, hydrophilic colloids, finely divided solids. So, the surface active agents are the surfactant that reduce surface tension effectively. Most commonly used classes. Okay, class. Next, hydrophilic colloids are natural or synthetic polymers forming multimolecular films at the interface. Next, finely divided solids. So insoluble particles forming a rigid particulate film at the interface. Next, surface active agents. So the surface active agents are either anionic, cationic, or non-ionic. Most commonly used emulsifying agents, effective reducing surface tension. So classified by the charges. So anionic surfactant examples are sodium lauryl sulfate. Cationic emulsifying agents are cetrimide and non-ionic span queen. Next, hydrophilic colloids. The hydrophilic colloids are these are the agents form a multi-molecular film around droplets and can be either natural or synthetic in origin. So the hydrophilic colloids examples are acacia, tragacanth, and gelatin. So acacia is the natural gum widely used in oil in water emulsion. So tragacanth has the natural gum with the high viscosity. So gelatins, protein-based colloids, amphoteric nature. Next, finely divided solids. So the finely divided solids have a particular film formation. So particulate film formation. These insoluble solids accumulate at the oil-water-oil interface. So forming a rigid particulate film that physically prevent droplets coalescence. So pentanate, magnesium hydroxide, aluminum hydroxide. So next, HLB concept. HLB, hydrophilic lipophilic balance, is a numerical value that determines the types of emulsion, and an agent will produce low HLB, high HLB. Forms water in oil emulsion, and high HLB forms oil in water emulsion. Thank you.